Hola, assalamualaikum baby friends. Apa khabar? What is my hand? I have what? It's Geist Fafnir. Yes. And then finally I can unboxing Geist Fafnir. Geist Fafnir's long beyblade set. This is ring for Geist Fafnir, and then this is for the handle, and then this is for the long launcher. It's really long, and this is the grip, and this is for this, and then this can open like this, and then you can do like this or this or anything you want to like. And then you can put this anything you want. And then let's do this. Battle time! It's time for battle time! Let's do this! Let's try the hand speed. Revive Phoenix versus Geist Fafnir. 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go! Who's gonna be? Is it Geist Fafnir or Revive Phoenix? Geist Fafnir's win! The winner is Geist Fafnir. Now it's fun for left versus left. Here's Salamander versus Geist Fafnir using his ring. Let's ring for balance the stadium. 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go! Geist Fafnir's win. Third battle is Louis versus Free with his ring for balance. Again. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, shoot! Who's gonna win? Free or Free? It's Free. And then that's the end of my show. Bye-bye. Bye.